So you have a new device, I guess, where it's an early cavity detection, like a wand.
That's right. That's right. And I'm big on this kind of technology because anything we can do to minimize having to take away tooth structure, that's what we're all about at my office. This is it's a near infrared camera basically that hugs your tooth, and when an x-ray is taken, it's radiation that's kind of going through the tooth and it's showing you if there is some sort of damage to the tooth structure.
Okay.
A lot of patients, even with the digital radiography available now, which has a lot less radiation than we've had in the past, they still don't like this idea of x-rays. I remember my own mother, she's a nurse. Every time we'd go to the dentist, she'd drive the guy crazy. I don't want any x-rays, but we need x-rays. X-rays are important because they help us to detect problems early. With this CariView, which is the name of this newer technology out now, you basically hug the tooth with this infrared light, which basically shines a light through it, and it's able to detect if there is any kind of
like a cavity or something like that?
Absolutely. Cavity in areas that an x-ray is not necessarily going to catch until it really gets developed. So it gives you a much earlier detection for the cavity. There's no radiation involved, so even my mother would be happy to have this done. And this, along with the intraoral camera, which blows up everything 100-fold, so you can really see in detail all the little problems that may be lurking in the mouth. We're able to basically give patients the good news or the bad news at least earlier. That way you're able to get it taken care of while it's still smaller and you're leaving with more of your own tooth structure intact.